Keeping your floors spotless has never been easier, thanks to the latest generation of robot vacuums. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a busy family home, these smart cleaning machines offer hands-free convenience, powerful suction, and advanced features like app control, mapping technology, and even mopping capabilities. In this guide, we'll explore the best robot vacuums on the market, covering everything from budget-friendly models to high-end devices, so you can find the perfect fit for your space, lifestyle, and budget. Number 1. BOAIMORE V6 Robot Vacuum. This vacuum robot provides 3 power gears. One gear with strong suction can remove all kinds of surface dust, large debris, impurities, beans, etc. It can adjust different gears according to different cleaning needs. Cooperate with side brush. The 3.11-inch slim body design thoroughly cleans up the garbage along the walls and corners, as well as the hard-to-reach areas, and carries out deep and thorough cleaning to ensure maximum cleaning efficiency on all types of surfaces. While vacuuming and mopping, the V6 robot adopts the latest mopping technology to meet the needs that are different from dry and wet cleaning. It is equipped with an electrically controlled water tank of 220 milliliters and 600 milliliters dust collection box, which can adjust 3 gears of low, medium, high, and uniform water output. The high-efficiency HEPA filter can capture 99.69% dust particles, ensure that they are spotless and suitable for all hard floors, such as laminates, tiles, granite, parquet floors, etc. The V6 vacuum robot is equipped with a gyroscope intelligent navigation system, which supports 6 cleaning modes and manual cleaning and appointment cleaning, upgraded anti-fall sensors, 4 sets of anti-sunlight interference greater than 100,000 lux, anti-collision sensing the infrared switch, 2 sets, avoids obstacles and falls more accurately, and the robot vacuum cleaner can climb up to a height of up to 20 millimeters. Easily cross the threshold and carpet, ensuring a wider range of cleaning coverage. The vacuum cleaner optimizes the turbine roller brush suction port, will no longer wrap and block the hair, better disassembly and cleaning. Large particle garbage collection efficiency is as high as 99%, and the suction power of the high-efficiency air duct system is increased by 43%. The V6 body diameter is 12.99 inches, and the height is 3.11 inches, specially designed for beds, sofas, dining cabinets, bedrooms, etc. The narrow space of other furniture corners is designed to ensure deeper and more efficient cleaning. Number 2. Lefant M2 Pro Robot Vacuum. The Lefant M2 Pro Robot Vacuum features a 2.5L bagless dustbin that holds 60 days worth of debris, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. Enjoy the convenience of a dust bag-free system, reducing plastic waste and costs, or switch to a bagged solution if preferred. This smart design minimizes maintenance while giving you flexibility. With its 2-in-1 design, the robot Hoover mop and vacuum cleaner not only vacuums, but also mops wet floors, effectively tackles stains, making your floors look like new. The 300 milliliters intelligent, electronically controlled water tank can accurately control the water flow in 3 gears to meet your various mopping needs. Lefant M2 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner now features an improved 6,000 Pascal suction power, significantly improving cleaning efficiency. Whether it's hard floors, carpets, or crevices, it effortlessly removes dust, debris, and pet hair, ensuring a flawless home environment. With smart carpet detection, it avoids carpets during mopping and boosts suction when cleaning them. Equipped with upgraded D2F laser navigation, M2 Pro Robot Vacuum accurately maps your home even in low-light conditions. It supports 3-level mapping and intelligently plans cleaning routes to avoid missed spots or repeated cleaning. With PSD obstacle avoidance technology, it detects obstacles from multiple angles and responds in real time, providing smarter navigation and collision avoidance. Number 3. Lefant M3 Robot Vacuum. The all-in-one station automates cleaning and maintenance, keeping everything hands-free in one compact hub. Effortless cleaning with 360 degrees lidar navigation, precise mapping, smart path planning, and obstacle avoidance for thorough, efficient cleaning, even in the dark. The M3 packs 12,000 pascals of suction power. Say goodbye to pet hair, dust, and debris on carpets, hardwood, and tiles for a truly spotless clean. The V-shaped brush design centralizes dust and hair. While its dual comb teeth prevent tangling, delivering optimal cleaning without manual intervention. With an upgraded battery, our robot vacuum operates for up to 220 minutes, which can provide uninterrupted cleaning for an enhanced experience. Cleans like you would. Dual liftable mop, spin to power through tough stains on any floor type. Glossy tiles or textured surfaces. The upgraded PSD system delivers precise obstacle detection, seamlessly navigating under furniture and in low-light conditions. Optimize cleaning methods in the Lefant app according to your carpet's material and personal requirements. Number 4. Lefant M330 Pro Robot Vacuum. The M330 Pro utilizes D2F laser scanning to map your home with 15-meter range coverage, creating optimized cleaning paths that avoid redundant passes. Its intelligent system remembers multiple floor plans, adapting seamlessly to different home layouts for complete, efficient coverage. Equipped with precision PSD sensors, this robot detects objects as small as 0.2 inches with 190 degrees wide-angle vision, preventing collisions day or night. The 3.7-inch low-profile design effortlessly cleans under furniture where dust accumulates. When the M330 Pro detects carpets during mopping, it intelligently avoids them to prevent wetting. In vacuum mode, it automatically increases suction power to 4,500 pascals for deeper cleaning, perfect for transitioning between hard floors and area rugs. The 200 milliliters adjustable water tank and reusable mop pad work simultaneously with vacuuming, saving 50% cleaning time versus separate devices. Tip: always empty the tank post-use to maintain your floors. Features an upgraded hair-resistant intake and 450 milliliters transparent dustbin that alerts you when full. Captures 99% of pet hair while reducing emptying frequency by 30% compared to standard models. Number 5. Saerke Robot Vacuum. The robot vacuum features incredible suction power, matrix clean, and precision home mapping. With matrix clean, the robot cleans using a precision grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris, leaving no spots missed. The multi-surface brush roll pulls trapped debris, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hardwood floors. With precision home mapping, the robot uses its 360 degrees lidar vision to scan your home and build a detailed map, enabling fully autonomous movement. This also allows your robotic vacuum to detect and avoid objects in its path day or night. It creates a precise home map and app so you can select specific areas to clean on demand, initiate matrix clean, and set cleaning schedules from anywhere. The robot vacuum cleans using a precision grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for deep cleaning coverage. Powerful suction captures dirt and debris on carpets and hardwood floors, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. Multi-surface brush roll combs and pulls debris, hair, and dirt from all the surfaces in your home, including carpets and hard floors. 360 lidar vision quickly and accurately maps your home, so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. Powerful vacuum suction and multi-surface brush roll help capture pet hair, dust, and dander. The robot can return to its base, recharge, and can pick up cleaning where it left off.